Okay, so I arrived to a job. The complaint was that this fridge is not cooling, and so the first thing that I heard right away that there was noise coming from the fan. And when I took that cover off, I saw that the fan was loose and it wasn't in place, and the reason for that is those brackets that hold it in place like that, they just broke. The two plastic pieces broke, and so the fan fell down, and that's why it wasn't working. So instead of ordering a new part, and who knows how much it costs and if it's even available, I decided to do a custom repair and design with some metal wires, put this fan in place, and it's basically just doing just fine right now, and it's not going to move nowhere. So just a quick solution with a little bit of creativity and also saving the client money. Okay, so the fan is installed and it is running now just like it should.